So here's a look at some of the math that we're doing to figure this out. Yours is going to be a little bit different. And I encourage you to look at your Google Classroom assignment number 3, because it has these formulas scanned in case you don't want to watch this video all over again. So the formula for acceleration is your final velocity minus your initial velocity over time. Okay? The time is 1 second. So right there, I just put 1 second. Here's my final velocity, 1.13 meters per second. That's how far it went to that pen that was down there at the end of the ramp. And the initial velocity was 0. It wasn't moving when it was up at that starting line. So you have 1.13 meters per second minus 0 meters per second over 1 second. And you can calculate the acceleration as 1.13 meters per second squared. Next, I'm going to do the second part of our test, and you're going to have to do this too. So I'm going to put some of these formulas aside, and I'm going to run the test all over again, except this time, I want to know what happens to the ball after it leaves the ramp. Are we going to have positive, 0, or negative acceleration? And I think you know the answer, right? The answer should be negative acceleration. It's going to slow down. It's speeding up as it goes down this ramp at approximately 1.13 meters every second. And as it leaves the ramp and has no more gravity affecting it, the friction of the table and the weight of the ball and all of the physics involved should slow it down. We should see a negative acceleration. But the fun of this is to be able to calculate it. So here's how we're going to do that.